Scott Finn, Men's Hard Reset. Protect your mental health like it's your bank account, because every distraction costs something. Every toxic conversation, every unnecessary fight, every emotional reaction drains you. Your attention is valuable. Your peace is valuable. Your future, it's valuable. Start guarding them like they matter. Set goals so high they require discipline, focus, and standards. And eventually, you'll become someone the old version of you wouldn't even recognize. Subscribe to Men's Hard Reset. We're resetting with one good decision at a time. And do the team here a favor. Leave a comment what you would like us to talk about next. I'm Scott Finn. Peace out.